Hi everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you the fourth part of the video of my succulent update here in the veranda area. So let's start looking at them one by one closely. So we have here the Purple Delight, the Luella. This is actually a raindrops, but it doesn't grow well, but I'm hoping it can survive. And this is a kind of succulent that I forgot the ID. So this one is a Hero One, so doesn't look good, but let's see if it can survive. We have the Snow Bunny, the Super Bob, but it has babies there. It's actually a leaf propagation. And I want to apologize for the noise. Motorcycles keep on passing by. So this is one of the struggles of every vlogger, is that to make their vlog beautiful and informative as much as possible, but there are unavoidable noises we cannot really avoid, like the vehicles just passing by in our house. So this is my Luella. This is a cactus, and this is a ghosty. We have here the Cryptopeta lumirini on the second rock. So this is the first layer, of the rock. So we go down on the second layer. We have here the Cryptopeta lumirini. This Echeveria has a stress color, but I really don't know the name. And there's a weeds there, so I haven't really fixed this succulent in the veranda area, especially removing weeds, because I got so busy. So this is another look at the rosette of this one, pretty like rose. And this one also is Aba Beauty. And this one an Echeveria. We have another Purple Delight, our Orion. Oh no, so my succulent garden is not really perfect. Look what happened to this. I think it won't survive anymore, so I'll just put it there. So I'll fix it later and replace it with another stem cutting of a succulent as a propagation. So it keeps raining kasi every night here in my area, Silang Cavite. Although some of the succulents shows the stress color, some are suffering from getting mossy because of the rain. And this is my Jewel Tone, and this is another Cryptopeta lumirini. And this is, I think, Echeveria Maria. So that's what you can see in the second layer. So on the third layer, we have the Fat Beauty. So it's a 3 heads. And we have here the Agavoides Aquarius. And this one is the Love and War. Look at the stress color of this. It's really beautiful, the red color. So I have a leaf propagation here. Let's fix it. So, doing a leaf propagation is really, it takes lots of patience, so you just have to be patient enough. Soon it will give you an offset. So if you're not patient enough, you will not make a lot of succulents. So this is, I forgot the ID, but it's a 2-head. It does stick farina. If you would see, there's water on the set. So I will remove it first. There, I remove it by blowing. So I forgot inside my tools, but I have this kind of tool that removes the water in the rosette. So this is an Alba Beauty. This is a Marble Gold. I forgot the name of this, but the color is so pretty nice. This is also another one with thick farina, and it has also a purplish color. So this is what you can see in the third rack of our first rack. This is the second layer and the topmost part. So this is how it looked like from afar. So let's go to the second rack. So I have here the pink curls. So it's wet because it rained last night. And beside it, I think this is, I'm not sure if it's pink spot, but the next spot is wedding ring. So it has a nice color too, right? So when I bought it, it's only green. Now it's showing off its dress color. So this is actually Echeveria Blood Maria, and it's starting to lose off all the leaves of the mother set, but it's giving us babies or offsets. So beside it, we have our marble bold. So it's nice, right? And we have here the super bomb. So I have another pot of super bomb. So I have neglected this pot because I thought that I only have one pot left. So I'm happy to see. Then we have here the Lucian. It has a stress color. It has lots of babies. So soon I will be starting to cut the stem. This one, the bigger set, so the baby can grow more. So this is lemon and another lemon, and this one is mule. So mule is actually it's a hybrid also of Flowey and Lucian, I think. So this is Peach Beauty. Look at it, it's really beautiful. The name really fits its appearance, which is really a beautiful succulent, a flawless one with thick farina. So there's a dried leaf. Let's remove it. So look at it, diba? So pretty nice, so flawless. So this is the first or the topmost part of the rack of our second rack. So on the second rack, on the second layer, I mean, we have the PVN for Devon. PVN is a short name. So it has water on the rosette, so I have to remove water on the rosette later after the video. So this is the, I forgot the name, but it's an Echeveria. It's also pretty nice to look at when there's water on the rosette, right? So this is our crimson. The rosette becomes so small because of the rainy days. Look at this, very nice, right? And we have our Madibo, which has no stress colors, slight stress color, yeah, but it also has dry leaves, so I remove it. And we have here another one, Echeveria, and this is my Echeveria Bluebird, which is so big before the rainy days. Now after the rainy days, it's just small na lang. So this is what you can see in the second layer of the rack. Below, on the third layer rack, I have here the peach candy. It's like a family of Echeveria Martin. So look, there's fungus there, but it's already healed. It's also beautiful. It looks the same like Echeveria Martin, but they have this. The leaves of the Echeveria Martin is like this, but when it comes to peach candy, it's much more rounded and more chubbier. So this is, I think, a bill. Look at it. So my carton is not really perfect. So that's how garden are. So let me remove first all the mushy and dried leaves before I continue with the video. So I have cleaned it up. This is how it looks like. So we really have to remove those mushy leaves and dried leaves so the pests will not live on it. So this is the next spot. It's actually two different kinds of succulents, so I don't forget their ID. So this is my Orion. Orion and dark eyes are look almost the same, but the dark eyes have lining on the tips of its leaf. I have your Echeveria kissing, and this is our dark eyes. So this is dark eyes, this is Orion. So they look almost the same, but the difference is that the lining of the leaf. And this is our Belaroj. So this one, when I bought it was big. Now it's getting small. I don't know why, but I really love the leaves, the red lining of its leaf. So when I bought it, it's like that already. So it's not, I don't know if it's the stress color, but I find it beautiful. So this is what you can see in the second rock. So this is the second rock, and this is the first rock that I have showed you. So I guess I can show you only for today the first and second rock, because the video is too long already and I was not expecting it to be 10 minutes already. So that's all for today. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.